Please choose the correct translation for this Arabic phrase. 1. أحاول أن أكون أبا جيدا. A. I'm trying to be a good manager. B. I'm trying to be a good father. C. I'm trying to be a good man. Please choose the correct translation and write it in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you. Next phrase. 2. هل حصلت على ما أردت؟ A. Did you get what you wanted? B. Did you buy what you wanted? C. Did she get what she wanted? Please write the correct translation in a comment. Next phrase. 3. هذا ليس عدلا. A. This is not fair. B. This is not right. C. This is not mine. Please write the correct translation in a comment. Next phrase. 4. لم أستطع النوم. A. I didn't sleep early. B. I didn't sleep well. C. I couldn't sleep. What's the correct translation? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 5. لكل فعل رد فعل. A. Every action has a reaction. B. Every action has a consequence. C. Every action has a cause. Write the answer in a comment, please. Next phrase. 6. لماذا تلومونها؟ A. Why are you blaming her? B. Why are you blaming him? C. Why is she blaming her? Write the answer in a comment, please. Next phrase. 7. أيمكنني مساعدتك؟ أيمكنني مساعدتك؟ A. May I help you? B. Can you help me? C. Can you help her? Choose carefully, please. Next phrase. 8. إنه أحد أقاربي. A. He's one of my friends. B. He's one of my relatives. C. She's one of my relatives. What's the correct translation? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 9. سأبذل قصارى جهدي. A. I will do my best. B. I'm doing my best. C. I did my best. Next phrase. 10. لم يكن لدي خيار. A. He had no choice. B. I had no choice. C. He has no choice. What's the correct translation for this Arabic phrase? Please write it in a comment. 11. لم يعجبها رأيك. A. She doesn't like you. B. I don't like her opinion. C. She didn't like your opinion. Next phrase. 12. أنت تستحق هذا. A. You destroyed that. B. You deserve that. C. You deserved that. Please write the answer in a comment. Next phrase. 13. إنها خسارة فادحة. A. It's a great mistake. B. It's a great loss. C. It's a small mistake. Please write the answer in a comment. Next phrase. 14. ظننتها تعرف. A. I thought you know. B. I thought she knows. C. I thought he knows. What's the correct translation? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 15. تخرجت ابنتي أمس. A. My daughter went out yesterday. B. My daughter graduated yesterday. C. My son went out yesterday. What's the correct translation? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 16. ليس لديك حق هنا. A. He doesn't have a right here. B. She doesn't have a right here. C. You don't have a right here. Please choose the correct translation and write it in a comment. Next phrase. 17. وجهك مألوف لي. A. Your face is familiar to me. B. His face is familiar to me. C. Your face is familiar to her. What's the correct translation? Next phrase. 18. لا تستهينوا به. A. They don't underestimate him. B. Don't underestimate him. C. You don't understand him. Please write the correct translation in a comment. Next phrase. كنت سأخبره بالحقيقة. A. I was going to tell him the truth. B. I'll tell him the truth. C. I was going to tell you the truth. The last phrase. 20. 20. ابتعد عن المخدرات. A. Stay away from junk food. B. Stay away from cigarettes. C. Stay away from drugs. Please choose the correct translation and write it in a comment. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.